I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the sound quality of the headphones in the Realme X2 Pro device, which has a Dolby Atmos, versus the Redmi K20 Pro phone, which has a Hi-Fi audio. So I'll be comparing all the features between both the phones, what it offers, and which has a better options in terms of enhancing the sound. So before watching the video, friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And if you want to know what live wallpaper I'm using exactly in the phone, you can check the links in description as well. And here is the recently uploaded videos, friends. If you are interested in watching these videos, definitely take a look at the videos. So as you can see, so plenty of battery draining and YouTube draining tests which I have did in my channel, so which are very interesting. And it is a playlist for the wallpapers, so where I uploaded the wallpapers videos. So definitely take a look at the videos, friends, and let's get started in this test. And Realme X2 Pro has the Dolby Atmos sound, friends. So let me show you by going into the sound and vibration. And here you can find the Dolby Atmos, as you can see, friends. And same thing with the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So let me go to the sound and vibrations and sound effects. And here you can find the Hi-Fi audio. So one difference is that when you enable the Dolby Atmos, you get plenty of options to use, friends. So different enhancement features. And whereas in the Hi-Fi audio, you only get just Hi-Fi audio. You cannot increase or decrease, or you cannot play around with the enhancement of the audio. So that is the one drawback which I noticed in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So definitely, if you want a good sound experience, I would definitely prefer Dolby Atmos, friends. So now let me try connecting the headphones to the Realme X2 Pro device. As you can see, friends, so far you got pretty much plenty of options to choose the sound quality from. As you can see, friends, clearly. So there are plenty of options in the Dolby Atmos at the moment. So in the Realme X2 Pro device, so same headphones are like when I connect to the Redmi K20 Pro device. So let me show you, friends, what are the options you get. And if you enable the Hi-Fi audio here, so you cannot use other settings like enhancement features. You cannot adjust the audio. So whereas in the Dolby Atmos, you can get that control everything, friends. So which is very good if you want to change the background sound or 3D effects, so which is very good in the Dolby Atmos. So that is what I felt overall in using the headphones. So this is the main thing which you need to take into consideration, friends, because even if I say the audio is pretty good, you won't understand because you are not hearing. But at least if you see what are the difference in terms of the features, then later you can at least come into a conclusion which phone is the best in terms of audio. So overall, friends, in terms of audio effects, I feel the Realme X2 Pro has Dolby Atmos, and which offers pretty good features where you can play around with the settings. So in the Hi-Fi audio, if you ask me personally which audio is best, I'll choose the Dolby Atmos, friends. So in terms of the audio quality, which I definitely like. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And this was a question asked by one of the subscribers, so I thought of doing a video on this one. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. And if you want any other doubts, do check the links in description for my phone number, so you can WhatsApp me. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.